Former President Donald Trump turned himself in Thursday night at the Fulton County Jail to be booked on felony charges in connection with efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election results in Georgia. Trump arrived at the jail shortly after 7:30 p.m. Trump was quickly released, according to the records. He was in and out of the jail in about 20 minutes. Trump was processed and released under the terms of a $200,000 bond agreement his attorneys struck with Willis' office this week. Trump has maintained he's not guilty of any wrongdoing and has accused Willis, a Democrat, of election interference, for charging him because he's again running for president. Depending on the timing and circumstances, a conviction could impact Trump's ability to maintain influence within the Republican Party and the broader political landscape. It might limit his ability to run for or hold public office in the future. The impact of a hypothetical conviction of Donald Trump on the U.S. political system would be complex and would depend on a variety of factors, including the nature of the conviction, the prevailing political climate, public opinion, and the actions of other political actors. Here are some potential ways in which a conviction could impact the U.S. political system. Depending on the timing and circumstances, a conviction could impact Trump's ability to maintain influence within the Republican Party and the broader political landscape. It might limit his ability to run for or hold public office in the future. Former president could further erode public trust in the political system, especially if the conviction is related to actions taken while in office. It might lead to increased skepticism about the integrity of government institutions and the rule of law. Supporters of Trump might view the conviction as politically motivated, while opponents could see it as a vindication of their concerns. Decision could set a precedent for holding high-ranking officials accountable for their actions, reinforcing the idea that no one is above the law. This could influence future political behavior and decision. The Republican Party could face internal conflicts over how to respond to a Trump conviction. Some members might distance themselves from him, while others might rally behind him. This could impact the party's overall direction and electoral prospects. Former U.S. president would have international repercussions. It could affect how other countries view the United States. It could lead to further investigations into other aspects of Trump's conduct or decisions while in office. This could continue to keep political and legal attention on the former president. It is important to note that the exact consequences of a Trump conviction would be highly contingent on the specifics of the situation and the subsequent reactions of political actors and the public. The U.S. political system is dynamic and resilient, and it has historically demonstrated an ability to adapt to various challenges and